Hey there Linux users, are you facing Wi-Fi issue on your Ubuntu system, such as mysteriously disappearing settings, constant connection failures, or frustrating device not ready errors? I totally understand how frustrating that can be, but don't worry. I will guide you through simple step-by-step solution for these problems. We will cover everything from finding those lost settings to making your device cooperate. By the end of this video, you will be equipped to tackle any Wi-Fi challenge on your Ubuntu system. So, get ready to say goodbye to those connection headaches. Let's solve these Wi-Fi problems together. First, open terminal by simply pressing Ctrl-Alt-T. Now terminal is open. Check for Git is installed or not by Git version. If it's so version, then alright. Otherwise, install Git by command sudo apt install Git. I'm not installing Git because Git is installed in my system. If Git is not installed in your system, then first install Git. After installing Git, copy and paste the command in the terminal. Don't worry, I will give you all command and repository link in the description. Then copy and paste another command in terminal. It takes some time, so be patient. I am fast forwarding the video. Now installation is completed. Now we have to check which kernel version is installed in our system by command uname --r. You can see my kernel version is 6.2.0. Note down your kernel version because it needs in next step. Now copy and paste another command in terminal. Copy and paste this step according to your kernel version, which I checked before. If your kernel version is 5.16 and 5.17, then you need to run this command. If your kernel version is greater than 5.17 or less than 6.2, then you don't need to do anything. If your kernel version is 6.2 or greater than, you follow this step. In my case, my kernel version is 6.2.0. Now copy and paste this command in terminal. After this step, there's one more command to run. Copy and paste it into the terminal. Once you have completed all the steps, it's time to reboot your system. After rebooting, there you have it. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Wi-Fi problems in Ubuntu. I will provide all commands and repository links in the description below for your convenience. Remember, each issue might have different solutions, so don't hesitate to explore further. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.